Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a software from your computer. We are going to use the control panel. To open the control panel, we just need to type control panel in the search bar, type control panel, click on it, go to programs and install a program and select the software or program, in this case, that you want to uninstall. I'm going to uninstall or remove the ABS video editor. You can double click or use the right click of the mouse to delete it. In my case, I'm going to use the right click and the option uninstall appears. Click on it, select yes, a pop-up appears, and you see the software is not there anymore. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Computer 101. Bye bye.